When animals take charge, you can expect lots of surprises. Are you okay? Let's start right away. At a beetle farm, a lost elephant suddenly appeared. Thanks to a quick detection, the farmer managed to escape from the angry creature. Consider this a warning if you decide to go to sea on an inflatable boat. All they need to do is speed up and get away from here immediately. Two lions caused chaos when they suddenly leapt out of an enclosed fence. They were captured after 15 minutes with no injuries reported. Don't get too close to bison. They could get mad at any time. Shh, don't move, or the cheetah's gonna notice, and that's when things will go wrong.
Jimmy, you're okay. You're okay.
Once a well-behaved dog, Pal Gang suddenly became aggressive. Then, he had to join an organized training program to be a good boy again. When you're at level 1 and live in Australia. And here's at level 2. The bar was a place for us to unwind after a day's work. But the horse just ruined it. Despite the lifeguard's warnings, many tourists still swam where sea lions lived. This made the animals unhappy and determined to act. The energy of these animals is truly amazing, isn't it? Hey. They seem to never sit still. They say the beluga fish is very gentle because they don't have teeth. But look at its behavior. Quite nasty. The road in northeastern Thailand is notorious for its troublemakers. These troublemakers enjoy blocking cars and sitting on them. Anyone unlucky enough to pass through this road often ends up spending a lot of money to repair their car.
Yeah, I reckon.
Don't laugh. You don't know how fast hippos can be underwater.
Who's coming for us? Oh my god.
It seems like the alligator saw the man as a fatter prey. Before the bathroom ceiling gets sealed up, I'm sure no one will dare to use that room. Kangaroos, known troublemakers, have finally met their match. The Arctic environment is increasingly polluted, so animals are protesting against humans coming here. Perhaps this goose was trying out some moves from Kung Fu Panda on the police officer. She succeeded in provoking the wild nature of the gorilla. Somewhere in France, there's a sheep that always dislikes bicycles. Could this be the animal version of road rage? That's why you should muzzle pets when taking them outside.
Pero ata, y fíjate a qué boca la pegó 2 veces ya.
How on earth did a wild boar appear from there? All right, buddy, you really caused a lot of damage to the store. Orcas belong to the dolphin family, but that doesn't stop them from hunting their cousins. Thought to be just a regular order, it turned out to be the beginning of the movie, The Rise of the Land Lobsters. This unexpected encounter didn't lead to a beautiful friendship.
I'm joking. Opa.
Despite having horns, the goat wasn't a match for the kangaroo.
Wow, who could expect this? Kangaroo attacking.
Fear drove the bull crazy. People said it was running from the vehicle, taking it to the slaughterhouse. This scene made me think that the deer was fleeing from some dark force in the forest.
Last time we took about a minute or two.
Who is knocking? I was taking a nap.
That is crazy, dude.
This is what happens when you encounter a level 1 Pidgeot without a Pokemon.
Hey! Ah! Hey!
This guy tested the patience of the bear by locking himself in an iron cage. The hunger of this animal is no joke. What made this camel so angry? If you want to attract seagulls at the beach, just bring along a box full of food. Don't worry, the octopus is just trying to escape from here. It seems like the Lion King movie has made the relationship between lions and hyenas more distant. The salon had an unwelcome guest. Not only did it chase the owner out, but it also damaged the store's entrance. The fishermen had to stop their fishing trip after being attacked by sharks. The shark hit so hard that it nearly knocked them out of the canoe. This wasn't someone's decorative piece. It was a spiderweb rain found in Bali, Indonesia. The eagle is known as the king of the sky because of its size and strength. But this king was quite mischievous and wanted to join in the game. This hotel was designed for guests to ski straight to their rooms. That's why this mountain lion could show up in the lobby. This unlucky warthog lost its guard and got too close to the rhino. It didn't expect the rhino to react so fast. The swan was like, "Are you new here, boy? You better know who's the boss here." Because the employee forgot to close the pen, around 100 ostriches raced through the streets. The rampage of these giant birds left locals feeling alarmed.
Got ice cream in there. I do not want it. Nope. Ice cream in there?
This is just a small part of the animal uprisings. Stay tuned to WOW TV because we'll be back with more amazing footage. For now, goodbye and see you next time.